There is a place called the Sacred Acre. It is the place where sea, sky, and land greet the fire of your spirit.
Hello, star beings. Welcome to the next dimension. You are home. Your mission, should you choose to accept, is to journey into the depths of your immortal soul. Release attachment to what you find, and then go deeper.
Total mental energy flow is relaxed. Let us begin with the body. Feel the skeleton is relaxing. Deeper.
Bring the bass. Bring the bass.
Deeper.
The Sacred Acre is the moving threshold, the walking crossroads, the liminal place where many realms and realities meet.
Welcome back. Did you receive the messages we sent you? Good. You are tapped in, connected to all that was and ever will be. You are a sacred being, enveloped in universal love. You are love, and we are one.